Hi, I'm Victor,
I'm Lisa.
I'm Victor Jr.
and we are the owners of Keys Smartphone Repair, located in the Upper Keys inside the Marathon gas station at mile marker 90 in Tavernier. I've been fixing phones for almost 10 years now. Been in this location at the Marathon gas station at mile marker 90 for 3 years. Someone coming in and they break their phone and they think they lost everything, and we bring it back to life, and there's no better feeling than that. All the parts in stock, and it gets done right away while you wait.
Come in and get your phones fixed fast.